It's happened, hasn't it? You're a small business owner. You're relying on a website built with your Google business profile, and now it's gone. Google is shutting down over 20 million websites that are linked to small businesses that were set up using your Google business profile. These typically end in .business.site, and if you were relying on it, you're probably SOL, as the kids say. Do the kids say that? Probably not. In this video, we're going to look at one of the alternatives to your Google Business Profile website that is presented by Whitespark. In case you're not familiar, I love Whitespark because they put out local search ranking factors every year. This was in March of last year, so I really hope that we get new rankings soon, and it's things that influence ranking factors based on SEO experts. But they also have local SEO tools, and one of their latest features they've announced, wait for it here we go, now we're on the right page. They have a new tool that lets you replace your Google Business Profile website for $1 per month. You gotta pay annually, so it's $12. So for my people out there, my small business owners that are now without a website, I'm going to sacrifice $12 as a business expense so that we can see what happens if we go through this process. Is it worth it? Here's my honest review of Whitespark's Google Business Profile website replacement. In case we haven't met before, I'm Sam Sarson, the owner of Then Can Designs, an SEO agency out in Bend, Oregon, and I dropped a video on the story back in January, and I could not believe that Google was shutting off all these websites on March 1st. And it turns out it wasn't March 1st, but we're in the middle of March right now, and there's a chance that these websites are down as we speak, or they will be soon. They've updated the verbiage. March 2024, these sites are going down, and on June 10th, your Google Business Profile will link to nothing. It'll just be a 404 error. We don't want that. So let's take a look at Whitespark's alternative and see how hard it is to set up. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I actually have to use my Google Business Profile, so we're actually going to create one for Then Can Designs today. So let's see how that goes. So we're going to get started, and here we go. So we're on the payment screen here, and so the nice thing is you actually get some other features too. By the way, I should mention this video is not sponsored. This is just like when you look at the options, there's just not a lot out there, and so I mean it's $12. That's a great deal. So anyway, so they also have some local ranking factors. And they're supposed to monitor your Google Business Profile, so if changes come up, you can accept or reject them. So that's pretty cool. And this could be beneficial for me because it lets you manage all your locations. So if you're a small business owner, that might not be a big deal, but I do manage a lot of locations for my clients. So I don't know, this could actually be cool. So it's only $12. So okay, let's go to next step. And if you're new to Whitespark, you'll sign up here just by creating a free account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. All right, so we're logged in. And okay, let's check out. All right, it looks like it's using Link and Stripe, so pretty standard. Got a little screenshot thing covering up my credit card there, but yeah, so $12 seems pretty legit, so let's go through with it. All right, we're in there. Let's go. Launch the local platform. Let's see what's next. Okay, so it's going to say connect a Google account. I'm thinking because I have a lot of Google Business Profiles attached. So you should note that one of the things you need to check here is it's able to see, edit, create, and delete your Google Business listing. So just a heads up, it is a Google Business Profile Management tool, so that makes sense, right? It's loading my Google Business Profiles. I think what I'm going to do is only import Then Can Designs. Loading. All right, so I selected Then Can Designs, and now it's importing. I'll let you know how long that takes. The last step took about a minute. Took about a minute again. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, so we got manage locations, review updates, edit locations in bulk. We got all our stuff here. Okay, Google will be shutting down. Read our step-by-step guide. Okay, I'm gonna click on that. It looks like it's a blog post. Okay, step 1, sign up. We did that. Google Business Profiles on. Enable your website. Okay, that seems pretty straightforward. Wait, where did it just go? Oh, manage locations. Okay, got it. Then Can Designs. Right? on, click that. Oh, here we go. Manage website. Yeah. Okay. So notice instead of business.site, it's mybusiness.site. I thought that was pretty cute. Okay, where would you like this website to live? I kind of don't want it to show up on Google, but I mean, oh well. bencandesigns.mybusiness.site. Okay, continue. I'd recommend just doing your business name. Okay, and look at that. Look at how easy that was. Holy crap. That was so easy. There's no directions tab because I don't have a physical location. Now, I just want to let you guys know the next video in the series is going to be building the site in Webflow, and that video is going to be so much longer than this video. So that was easy. So okay, so we did the address. Now this actually has the same themes as the Google Business Profile website. That one's terrible. Let's see. I think. Ooh, how regal. Well, we're orange, so let's try cream soda. Yeah. Gosh, that's terrible. Okay, primary action, call now. Let's do. It's got a lot of restaurant ones. How about, message us. I like that. Oh, what's that do? Oh, it sends a text. Interesting. I don't want that. Get quote. Destination email address. Let's do my email address. Okay, so that just sends an email. That's pretty nice. All right, the header photo is located cover photo of your Google Business Profile. How to update your cover photo. Okay, so there's really nothing you can do about that unless you update it. So the headline is this. This is the main heading title of your webpage. So that's fine by me. Description, website designer. I think it was saying in Bend. That's what it was saying. Maybe because I'm a service area, it didn't do that. Oh, so you can add text. That's nice. Summary title. Let's see. Let's see where this pops up. Where is it? Where is it? Testimonials, gallery. I don't even see it. Where is it? Do I have to put something here? Huh. Well, we'll check on that later. Okay, so this is good. You can actually change your SEO title and meta description, so that would be great. So you'd want to put a heck of a lot more. And you can check or uncheck features. So if you don't want your posts, you can take those off. Let's see what that looks like. That would take off the updates. Okay, that's pretty cool. Map feature is unavailable, but you could disable that. I'm service area business, so that makes sense. There's no food menu because I don't have food items. Gallery enabled. I'd probably turn that off. Just a bunch of random pictures, and then we definitely want to leave the reviews, right? And then delete website. Okay, that's it. Now what? Just click that. That's it. Where did that body stuff go? Oh, there it is, right there. It's true. We're in the map pack. Yeah. So there you go. Huh. Let's see. Did they make? Yep. Dang. And it's got clean SEO. And that's it. I mean, that's it, people. That was so easy. I'm going to delete this website. And it's gone. And it's gone. Okay, people. Yeah, I had no frame of reference. I'd watched the video on YouTube that they had talking about it, and I was like, yeah, it seems pretty easy, but it can't be that easy. That was dead easy. All right? Yeah, I don't know what else to say except for that was the easiest thing I've done in weeks. $12, people. That's all it cost. $12 to keep your Google Business Profile site alive And you get added features, and you get to turn off the features that don't make sense for your business, and you get to optimize the SEO title and the meta description and all that good stuff. And the page looks like it's pretty well optimized. And so you definitely want to check out, I would go to SEO, Steal My SEO Strategy video number 1, where I talk about SEO titles and things like that. And then that way you can get your SEO title dialed in based on your primary keyword. That's really what that video is about, is finding your primary keyword. I also have a keyword research video, which can help you make sure that you're lining that up. And so instead of just having this dinky site that's out there, you can actually optimize it for your keyword. This is great. But I will say it's still just a one-pager that's not super optimized for your business. And so, yeah, if you're just starting off, this is a great option for you. But if you're getting a little bit farther in your journey, I'd highly recommend actually building out a website. And so that's why my next video in the series is going to show you how to build out a full website using a tool called Webflow, which is a newer website builder that's out there for free. And I have to mention that if your business has gone from here to here over the last couple years, and you're faced with this decision of what to do next, you should look at local web designers. Seriously, investing a few $1,000s could be the best thing you ever do. Getting a better website now could set you up for greater success as you move on and continue to grow and scale your business. And it gives you a better chance to have a more optimized website when it comes to SEO. We want to work against those algorithms. With them? Against them? I don't know. Anyway, this video hopefully got straight to the point. So if you like that, hit that subscribe button below so you can watch the video where I build out a full page using Webflow coming up soon. And if you're out there looking for more SEO tips, be sure to head over to yoursmallbizseosuccess.com in case you weren't able to memorize that. Link is in the description, and you can join my weekly email newsletter where I drop little tidbits on SEO and sometimes news like this. These Google Business Profile websites are going away, and it just blew my mind. And now we have to pivot, right? So what are you going to do? Are you going to ignore it? Are you going to use Whitespark's $12 option? Are you going to build a new website yourself, or are you going to hire somebody else? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to hear what other people think. And in about a week or so, you should see a video on how to build out your own landing page right there. And if you want, you can check out all the other options in this video right there. Hopefully I pointed to the right spots. Till next time.